large-size prototypes are not processed at one time. For example, some medical equipment shells are processed by CNC because of the large size of the product. The programming designer will first split the product 3D design into multiple structures and then process them one by one. After the CNC finishes processing, they are spliced together manually. The processing of medical equipment also has special requirements for materials. The product currently being processed is made of fire-resistant ABS material. The product shell is divided into 14 small pieces for processing, and special adhesive glue is being used for structural splicing. Kaiao has ISO 13485, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certification, and the prototype made can also pass product testing.